rocks and seeds and sticks.
And how old are the kids right now? Because maybe in like a million years we'll look back.
Michelle's 15 months. She's a big baby.
And she walked up and down the big hill, huh?
Yes, she likes to walk.
And what about
Up and
Stacy?
down. Stacy's almost 3 years old. Right, Stacy?
And what do you like, Stacy? What do you
Oh,
like?
look what Stacy collected. The seeds and berries, and she had some rocks. So she's a collector.
Stacy, do you like coming here to the nature center? Did you have fun in the cave?
Did you have fun in the cave? Yeah. Yeah, we went to a cave and we went on a slide. No, up. No,
You want to climb up on the table? Stacy, what do you think about walking out here? Did you go down? Did you see the duck?
Did you walk around the lake? On the boardwalk? Stacy.
She's being shy right now. What about Michelle? Look at you, huh? You are just so full of energy, and she's very quick right now. Isn't she?
Yes, she is.
How quick is she? Let's put her down. Let's give her a test. Let's go. All right, go, Michelle. Go run over there and see. Let's see.
Come on, baby.
Let's see.
Come on, baby, Michelle. Come on, baby.
Look at that. Look how quick she is. Stacy, are you quick? Can you run over to Mommy? Michelle, send her over to me. Give her a little... Come here, Michelle. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi.
Look at Stacy running so quick.
Stacy, come back here. Run to Daddy. Come on. Or not. Yay. Look at it. Look how quickly you're going. Yay.
Good job, Stacy.
And now, what is it, lunchtime? We're gonna go get a little snack.
Mommy's hungry.
Mommy's hungry.
Recently. All right.
Okay. Look at that. Isn't that a nice breeze? Yeah. And let the wild rumpus start.
Ooh.
Are you the happy baby?
Are you tired, baby? Stacy, slow. Since I'm walking backwards, there's the chance I can fall.
You go lead the way. That's it, nice and slow. Step over the creek. Jump over the creek. You're gonna jump way over. Look at you. Whoa.
Stacy, slow, slow.
Stacy. Walking on the boardwalk. Isn't this fun? Well, we're here at Meadow Brook Park. We're having a great day. We've been all over. We've been to the nature center. We've been down the hill, and now we found an exciting boardwalk to walk on. Isn't it kind of fun? Come on.
Let's see.
Stacy, are you having fun? What do you see? You see a, what is it? You see a turtle? Hi, Michelle. What you found there? No, Michelle. Michelle, look what's here. Come here.